Machiegni kendo nya kwa Ramogi. Ng'ato ang'ata moyudi ka nyayo lwenj kit chwech biro kaune okanga mar chik ka ok odewo ng'ato margi e kind oganda kuonde magi lemore kit sombgi kata telo moramora magin godo. Ma wach gi min od jotend migepe mpacho ka Tess Mudavadi. Tessi ne wuoyo e kinde mane giketo mise mar gedo mar kar jota mar jogo moringo oya e michgi nikech lwenj kit chwech motisi ni Hope Center mani kar chung'od bura maka Jaod West, the county maka Jaod.
Even though we are talking about gender violence against women, hivi karibuni, there was a story in the media ambaye a young man who had undergone the rites of passage had been assaulted. I know I digress a little bit about women, but violence is violence. And this was violence upon a boy, a young boy, who was going through a very important passage of his life. And I, as a mother, I cannot differentiate between a girl child and a boy child. A child is a child. This boy was assaulted by his mentors, the people who were supposed to take care of him. Sana sana wanaongea, wanasema gender-based violence, domestic violence, lakini mimi kama mama nasema a crime is a crime. Tukiita a crime, the perpetrators will face the full arm of the law. Lakini tukisema hii ni gender, hii ni domestic, hii ni this, how then shall these people face the full arm of the law and they have committed a crime? They have instigated terrorism upon their fellow being. So wacha tuite tu a crime and a crime. Thank you.